I've been in the program for like a couple weeks. I love all the information I'm gaining. I try to implement it and all. It's been helping overall. So I work 6 days a week and then I have one day off. And then it's always like on that one day off where I'm not busy, where just the triggers seem to be really heavy. I kind of already know the answer. I have to be more productive. It seems to be a heavy influence to just indulge rather than reach out to the group, even though I know the group is there. And so that seems to be something that's obviously I have that one day off, so I need to either go out or do something. So
Mm-hmm.
I just kind of want to know what's a good way to combat that and actually reach out to the group before I even indulge in whatever,
So
unnecessary
you want to
activity.
stay away from specific actions, but you know these actions are something that help you relax this one day of the week
Yeah.
you have, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
given that you know what is the purpose of these actions, to relax, to unwind, to relieve yourself from stress or whatever it is, right? Think about all these outcomes that you're actually trying to achieve. You need to separate your behavior. Like, I'm doing this to accomplish relaxation, let's say. Okay, so relaxation is the main thing, and probably some other bits and pieces that I want to achieve. I'm doing this only by doing this behavior. All right, so let me expand my way of thinking. How else I can have relaxation and other bits and pieces besides doing the negative behavior? Let's say it's how else I can have relaxation, what else I know to do, what else is suggested, what is something that is gonna give me relaxation that is equivalent to this negative behavior, that is similar to that, but not the behavior, that is similar level of excitement or motivation or stimulation or whatever it is. So once you find something that your mind goes, oh yeah, we can do that as well instead of this, and feel good about it. Maybe it's not the best action in the world, but it's better and more acceptable than the negative behavior, right? So you can start with this, and then what else I know. If you keep asking yourself questions, you're gonna generate more solutions how to get to the main outcome. And as long as you get the outcome, your body and mind will follow.